is Emily and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would love it if you subscribe. If you like to watch recipe videos, family recipe videos, as well as organization, cleaning, grocery hauls, and all that mom life stuff. Now today I'm excited because I'm going to share with you how I clean my refrigerator, which I am embarrassed to say, but let's just say it right now. I have not cleaned this refrigerator, deep cleaned it, since I moved in like almost a month ago, so yeah, kill me now. So yeah, let's tackle the freezer, the refrigerator, take everything out, what we don't need we're gonna throw out, we're gonna clean everything and put everything back nice and organized. So if you wanna clean out your refrigerator, why don't you join me and let's go. Okay, so here's my freezer. Look at these icicles. I mean, seriously. Yeah, I need to throw that little green tea juice out. And so over here also have, I don't know if you guys want to know what I have here, but like just here I have cauliflower gnocchi. I have here frozen mangoes, which I'm just gonna start placing over here, so it could be easy for me to clean. The bacon, which needed to be thrown out because it's been a month since I have not used that. And hot pockets. So over here I have waffles. I actually bought this in Publix and it was 2 buy 1 and get the other one free. So this green tea needs to be thrown out. Garbage. Over here I have frozen veggie mix, corn, frozen corn. I just bought this tilapia today from Publix, and as well as this top round for stir fry, which I'm planning to do lomo saltado. It's a Peruvian deliciousness of food. If you guys want me to share that with you, let me know. So I also have this mild country sausage. What is this? Okay. So this is also, this is peas and carrots. And here are some fries. I have chicken. I have chicken breast. And I have here about a pound of ground turkey. Ice cubes. Let me just throw this out. So the cleaning products that I'm using is a multi-surface cleaner to clean my entire refrigerator. The freezer wasn't really that dirty. The refrigerator obviously needed a little more deep cleaning. And I am using just regular multi-surface cleaner, like I said before, and also cleaning cloth. I feel like it's easier to clean, and because using a cleaning cloth, you can always wash your cleaning cloth and reuse it again, which makes it more convenient. And that's what I did here. You see that I'm cleaning the entire refrigerator, but I did clean the cleaning cloth, the blue cleaning cloth that you see me cleaning multiple of times every time I cleaned a different area of the refrigerator, just to point that out. So you can also make sure to clean your cleaning cloth every now and then while you are cleaning. That way it doesn't get extremely dirty and then you're cleaning dirt on top of dirt, if that makes sense. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's keep on cleaning and organizing the refrigerator. The door of the refrigerator. Here I have cheddar and mozzarella, cheese, my deli meats, the ham and the cheese, cream cheese too. This one is almost done. Let me see. Yeah, just a little bit more. I have here an opened Little Bites bag. Oh gosh. A taco seasoning. Let me close this. I have here a pack of pure Irish butter. 2 packs of that. And over here I have just some restaurant's ketchup, mustard, have juice, ketchup, mayo. Actually, this is done already. That's why I bought another one. We'll just put that away or throw it. Sour cream. I have here Hawaiian Lori's. This is so good, this marinade. And I usually pour it or marinate my salmon or my fish in this. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. Mustard, aceitunas to cook, my sriracha, mild sauce here for the chips, and this is tomato paste, fresh rosemary. Ugh, it's going bad. I need to use that. Don't that happen to you? Like you buy stuff thinking that you're gonna use and then you don't use it. I have here medicine I just used this marinade on my chicken that is cooking right now in the oven. The herb and garlic marinade. This is from the Great Value brand from Walmart. What is this? Vodka or something? Yep. Ciroc. You can tell I'm not a big drinker. I don't even know none of these names. Got here the pumpkin spice coffee creamer and the vanilla coffee creamer and wine. This is one of my favorite wines. Roscato Rosse Dolce sweet wine. Sweet red wine. Super good. Now we're gonna clean this up right now. Two packages of key lime pie, Chobani, the flip ones, strawberries and grapes. What do you know? Kids. That's all I gotta say. Kids. I have just storage here, and this is like a lemon and honey. This is something that my mom used to make every time I had a sore throat or had a cold, and my kids, my twins, have a sore throat and they're coughing a little bit, so I just give them lemon and honey mixed together, and it works wonders. This is my favorite seasonal yogurt, which is the apple crisp twist. It's so good. If you guys have a supermarket that has them, you have to check it out. And I also bought the cinnamon bun fun. I'm just gonna see if it's good or not. I never tried it, but it looks delicious and it sounds delicious. Now here I have my half and half for my iced coffee, almond milk, and my husband likes whole milk. Orange juice and iced coffee. Watermelon. Oh gosh, I had this for a week already. This overnight oats. So yeah, I gotta throw this out. And I just bought these Dave's Killer Bread bagels. And this is a cinnamon raisin one. Just planning on obviously putting cream cheese and jelly for my kids for breakfast. And I also have the Dave's Killer Bread as well. Good seed organic bread. And then I have my cage-free eggs. OMG, this gotta go. This is corn. I was planning on boiling this corn so my kids could eat it with butter, and it went bad. And I have to throw this out. And believe me, I hate throwing out food, but I'm sure you guys can relate. You buy something and then you just forget about it, and then now you have to throw it out. So that's that. Here I have all my vegetables. Okay. Over here I have tortillas, flour tortillas. I like to make the quesadilla, breakfast quesadilla, and I also like to do enchiladas, which I'm gonna do just to use these things up. This containers I actually bought on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below, that way you guys want to use it and you guys are interested. You store whatever you want. You can store fruits in here, vegetables like I do, and even cans, or you know, soda cans or whatever it is, and just, it's a great way to organize your refrigerator. So I have here broccoli, celery, and this salad kit, honey pecan salad. I have another one, have eggplant, sweet potato, and this lettuce that is almost going bad, so I need to make sure I use it, of course. Just gonna put in this bowl right here. I have here bell peppers, red onions, have some carrots, ginger, bell peppers that I just used, and this too, and then the rest, and then lime. I'm gonna put this away. Look at this. Do you guys have the same problems? Because I am not the only one. Obviously I'm gonna remove all of that. I have to clean this up as well, and then look at this. Yep. These are my vegetables. I'm just gonna take this out like that. That way I can clean that, and then I just clean this up. I'm just gonna place this my countertop right there. Placing my vegetables in my countertop.
Corazón, tú me pides corazón, tú me pides corazón, tú me pides corazón, tú me pides corazón.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars.
Thinking out loud, yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud, 'cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Mine. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Mine. I put my heart on the line through our phone in the night. No, I'm here, but
Hope you guys enjoyed this video of cleaning and organizing my fridge, and I hope it also gave you motivation to clean out your fridge and organize it as well. I will see you on my next video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.